Hello, Darren.
Hello, doctor.
Can you tell us about your daily routine?
Of course. I wake up early in the morning and take a shower. Then I put on my clothes. Next, I have breakfast and brush my teeth and go to work at 7 a.m. In the afternoon, I have lunch, close the work, and return to my job. When I get home around 8 p.m., I have dinner. Later, I watch TV and go to the bed at 11 at night.
Oh, that is excellent. Can you tell us about your free time?
I don't have much free time. When it's possible, I go to cinema with my wife. Always on Sundays, I go to church with my family. That is all.
That is excellent. Thank you for your information.
Thank
Goodbye.
you.